Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to the channel if you're not new here. Thank you for not being new, but welcome newbies. Today we're going to do some inspo nails. So we're doing nails by one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Dorta. I'm not even going to butcher her last name. Put some respect on her name. I ain't even saying it. But here's a picture. Take a look at this picture right here. So these are the inspo nails, and in good old Dorta's fashion, let's start. So I have these gel liners, or I guess that's what they're called, gel liners. But they're just, small nail art brushes. They're really small, so I'm using those today. They're by I think it's Reach. But I'm going in right now with some Young Nails base coat to do on all the nails, and then I'll show you guys each of the Reach nail colors one by one. But as you can see there, I have a red, an orange, a lime green, a blue, a white, and a black. I ended up not even using the damn white. I don't even know why I pulled it out, but that's not white. That's why I didn't use it. That's why. It's not white. It's actually like the strip looks white, but it's actually like this really pretty, it's a mix between a pink and a white. It's really I'm gonna have to use that because I haven't used it as of yet. So I'm gonna have to use that so we can all see what it looked like on a nail. But it's like this pink and white mixture of a color. It's really pretty. So right now I'm going in with the Reachu number 4. Is the red color. So each of the, as you saw in the inspo picture, these nails, I don't even know what you would call them. I mean, I don't know. They just have lines, and what do they call those? Somebody in the comments tell me, because I know there's a name for this type of design, and right now I can't even think of, don't judge me, old lady brain. And I'm so mad, I readjusted where my camera sits, and I'm gonna have to readjust it again because where I have it sitting now to be like, so it's behind me, it doesn't know where it want to focus. So I apologize now in advance for all the unfocusing this stupid ass camera's gonna do today. But it is what it is. Start messy, right? Let's go. And now when in the orange color is number 5. This I kind of wanted to do like a rectangle almost in the middle of the nail. So like if you look again, I'm gonna put up the inspo picture when the nails are kind of done so you can see them side by side again. But I didn't want them to be a total copycat of Dorta's nails, but they were inspired by her, so I do want to give her credit. I don't know if she had an inspiration from somewhere else, but where I got it from was her, so that's who I'm giving credit to. If y'all hear my kitten in the background meowing, just ignore him, please. I'll do it.
What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait.
And now I'm going in on the third nail with the lime green color. It took some me getting used to these brushes because I'm not really an artist. I guess you would say I'm not that girl. Or I didn't think I was that girl, but I'm quickly becoming that girl. So, catch me in about a year. Catch me in about a year from now, y'all, and see how much better I'll be with these type of, like, I guess with the regular nail brushes, they're called D-liner brushes. So I'm not sure if they're called the same thing, D-liner brushes, because they're in an actual nail polish bottle. I don't know, gel polish bottle, not a nail polish, but gel polish.
running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person. I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself. I never fake.
There's that D-liner brush I was talking about. I need a better one though. I think that one kind of got messed up by the cap, but whatever. We still gonna work with it. We gonna work with it.
All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
And now on number 8 is the blue. You know what I should have did now in retrospect, and not if I have to recreate these, because my sister asked me to do a set of nails for her, a press-on nails for her in this same style. She loved them so much she wanted me to recreate them for her as press-on nails. So what I'm going to do next time when I'm creating these is just go in with, since I already know where the placement of the colors are going to be, just go in one color at a time on each nail where the color should be, and see if that works and make it a little bit faster for me. But also with this this nail, this is the pinky nail. I'm gonna tell y'all a secret, but I ain't gonna tell you right this second. I'm gonna tell you something about this stupid old pinky nail. Oh Lord, let me tell you about this pinky. It just got out of control. So now I done started over on the first finger, or the pointer finger. Why every time I do a freaking video I always can't remember what a pointer finger is called? Like every time. Jesus. Oh, but I went in and applied the orange. So what I'm doing now is just going to go to each nail, and because I started with the red on the pointer finger, and then each nail thereafter got the first coat was the next polish and line. So of course the pointer finger got the red, the middle finger got the orange, the ring finger got the lime green, and the pinky got the blue to start. So now each one of them are going to get the next color in the line until I get through all, what is that, 4 colors? 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. So that's what I'm going to do. Just apply the polish in different spots based on the number or where they at. I don't even have a rhyme or reason as to what I'm doing. I'm just doing. And it ended up turning out a lot better than I expected, to tell the truth. But one of the things that had this set right here, which I thought was gonna be, you know, really crazy for me to recreate, it did take me 1 hour and like an hour and 45 or so almost 2 hours to recreate this set. And it's I think only because too is my freaking nail lamp was just like not being the homie this weekend. She was not my homegirl. Like, she was the homegirl that you want to just drop off at home and leave her ass there, because it just started dying like right when I was in the middle of the set. Like, so I had to cure like 3 or 4 times for it to go, you know, to get cured. And then on top of that, like, I wanted to challenge myself this weekend to try to shoot as many nail videos as I could, so then that way I don't be behind, you know. I could be ahead in weeks. But let me tell you what, that nail lamp had other plans. That nail lamp had other plans for me, because it decided this weekend was not that weekend. It was not going to do what I needed it to do. So this set took me a lot longer than I totally expected it to, just simply because the nail lamp was going out and I had to cure the polish Like if it's on a 60-second cure for each of these polishes, I had to do the 60 seconds like 6 or 7 times for the polish to actually cure. So it took me longer than probably necessary to do that. But I have a new one on the way, so hopefully, you know, when I recreate these for my sister, it'll be a lot faster. Again, I apologize for the not focus. My damn camera can't focus. My damn nail lamp don't want to cure like this. This weekend was like, no ma'am. We're not here for your nail shit this weekend. The nail gods was not in my favor. So you guys see this? This is where I said I'm gonna tell you later. I did this, and as I'm doing it, I'm hating it more and more as it keeps going longer. I'm on the 3rd color of this nail, right? So I got one more color to go, and I'm you guys, I'm hating it now. I'm looking at it like, yeah, no. That's not gonna work. So then I redid it. I just chucked that nail in the trash, and then I redid the nail. I did the whole process over again, starting from the beginning, where I got the nail buffed over it to take the shine off, and then did the base coat, and now I'm applying the fingernail polish. Ugh, it's not fingernail polish, it's gel polish. One of these days I'm gonna get right.
Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great.
Oh, look at them, bitch! Woo, thank you.
Here to play, and I've got something to say. Yeah, I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
And clearly I had too much caffeine. On Saturday when I did this. Had too much caffeine because I couldn't make straight lines to save my life. So I let this down to make a straight line. I should have did this the same way, because I started to just make it like a little bit of a thicker stripe for this red color, but then, you know, it turned into a big thick stripe. So I ended up liking it in the end anyway, but it ended up being going from, you know, this little corner stripe to a big stripe. It was big. It met the orange on the side of the red. It met the orange. Do not jump up here. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta talk to the cat.
In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
I think now finally I'm on round 4 of the colored polishes. I'm on round number 4. So this is the last of the color polish for each nail. And Kungi that's my kitten. Gray is my cat, my 1-year-old cat. And Kungi is the baby. He's a kitten, and he's whining right now, y'all. He's hungry. I get home from work about this time, about 5:45-ish in the evening. So get ready to eat. If you hear the meow, it's because he's saying mom. Get your life.
It be raining now, I keep making sound. Go another round, bitch, I'm legend bound. Can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that
That's a lot better. A lot better than what it was looking like. It was busted. And so now I'm going finally going in with the black to create black lines. Now again, this is my first time doing stuff like this. I don't usually do it, but you know, this didn't turn out too bad though. Did turn out, I was actually kind of proud of myself. Next time, don't drink as much, you know, caffeine. Don't have the pop and the coffee, but you know, if you know you're gonna come do some line work, don't do that. But this actually turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, being that it was my first time and all, trying to create, you know, lines, symmetry of some sort, not just putting on water decals or stickers or some shit. I'm actually like hand painting things. And let me tell y'all what, you only get to see this last bit of this, but let me tell you, this took about 30 minutes in itself because them lines would not get right. Okay, I could not get right with these lines on this one and the previous nail. I could not get right with the lines for nothing. So I wiped them off. That's why you can see the swipe sitting there in the black and stuff on those what are those called? Lint-free wipes. I'm telling y'all, when I shoot the nail video, I know what stuff is called. I promise you I do. But when I have to talk and watch a video at the same time for a voiceover, I swear my brain just like leaves my body. I swear. And if you guys can tell, I have a different brush for this black, and it's not the brush out of the gel. I'm using the gel polish, but not the brush, because I discovered my granddaughters messed my brush up in there. My granddaughters are the only ones who use it, so they messed it up. And here we go, you guys. I am so sorry. I thought I edited the video long enough so you guys could see the end, but here's the end result. Here they are. This is how everything ends. I want to thank you guys for coming and watching this video with me today. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.